welcome to my channel. This is Sammi Says Create, and this is a channel where I do all sorts of DIY and creative projects, and I bring you along for the ride. So welcome to my mini series. This is 5-minute fat quarters, and this is the series where I show you some fun and fabulous fat quarter makes in 5 minutes or under. No frills, no fluff, just fat quarter. So without further ado, let's go on with today's fat quarter make. So for this reversible apron, you will need 3 fat quarters that are all different patterns, 2 for either side of the apron and 1 for the pocket. You will also need some ribbon of your preferred colour, clips or pins, chalk, some scissors, any decoration you might want to use, and a ruler. So to begin with, I cut out my pocket pieces. So I wanted these to be 8 inches by 12 inches. This is up to you if you want to change this and make this a different size. Next, I folded down all the sides of both the pocket pieces and just clipped them into place. And this means that we have some nice neat edges. I then just sewed a straight stitch across all these edges just to keep everything secure and in place. Then align the pocket in the middle towards the bottom half of the apron, just into the position that you want it in, and then pin it all in place. I did realise in hindsight that I didn't actually need to do the last step, so feel free to miss it out if you're not too keen. You can technically just fold the hem down and pin straight to the apron like this and then sew, and that way you will only have one line of stitches. Then you're going to sew the pocket to your apron material. Don't forget to start off with a couple of front stitches and back stitches just to keep the ends secure. Also, don't forget you're only sewing down the 2 sides and the bottom of the pocket, so do not sew down the top of the pocket, otherwise you will have an unfunctional pocket. I also did a straight stitch about 1/3 of the way in from top to bottom of the pocket, just to give it these 2 compartments. Then repeat these steps using the other pocket and your final fat quarter so that you've got 2 identical sides. Lay your 2 apron sides right sides together so that the wrong sides of the material should be facing up towards you and the pockets are on the inside. Then pin and sew all around the outsides of the material. Just make sure you leave a small gap towards the end so that we can turn it the right way round. Then neatly just stitch up that gap that was left. And this is where we are so far, so it looks quite cool. Got both different sides. And next we are going to add our ribbon, which is also going to act as our waistband, so how we're going to tie the apron. Make sure you measure and mark the middle of the ribbon against the middle of your apron so that you know it's going to be equal lengths on either side. Then you're going to fold the ribbon evenly over both sides of the top of the apron and pin or clip that into place. So do make sure you're paying attention to which is the right side of the apron here. So I actually initially sewed the ribbon to the bottom of the apron, not the top, so make sure you're paying attention. Then just sew this ribbon down with a straight stitch. So just double check every now and then that it is hitting both sides of the ribbon on both sides. And then just finish off with a bit of an iron just to make it all nice and neat and get rid of all the crinkles. And there we have our super cute reversible apron with a snazzy little pocket and some extra little compartments. I love this. I think it is fab and one of the easiest things ever. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video and you're enjoying this mini series. Please drop me comments down below and let me know what you think. If you have enjoyed it, please do show me some love and hit that like button down below, the subscribe button and the notification button, and that way you will not miss out on any of my future videos. And feel free to follow me on Instagram to see all my other crafty makes. So I will see you in the next 5-minute fat quarter video. Until then, keep creative. Bye!